Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and well, techies, I'm going to show you or tell you about ADB. What is ADB? Android Debug Bridge. Okay, so Android Debug Bridge, ADB tools is basically you're able to install applications to your phone without the Play Store. You're able to figure out different issues on it. There may be some hidden features on your phone. Like, you never know. There's a lot of different things you can do with ADB tools. So, I'm going to show you how to install it on the next video. I just kind of wanted to show you what ADB tool is and what it does with your Android phone. And granted, this is only for Android. And it's a part of the SDK platform tools package as well, which I'm going to put in the link in the description on the next video. Which SDK is the way how you make the Android applications, like the APKs, the app that you're actually using on Android. You're able to manipulate files, you're able to use the files, you're able to see more into the files, training purposes only. Um, but yeah, there's so many things you can do. But just know you need your developer options. You need developer options on your Android phone to be enabled in USB debugging. So if you do not have those, like if you don't have developer options enabled, which I made a video on that, I'm gonna put a link in the description below, and USB debugging on, you definitely need both of those on, but you can't do USB debugging without developer options. So I'm going to make a video on how to enable USB debugging. I'm not sure if I've done that before, but I'll do it before I make this video. But I just want you to know what ADB tools are. It was needed back in the day when we needed to root a phone, to be honest. It was pretty cool. But yeah, it was just cool, moving things over and being able to like root your device with these type of things. Putting in, when have you ever used ADB tools? And what did you use it for? Let me know in the comments section. I would like to hear, you know, what you guys use ADB tools for. But yeah, like there's so many things I can't wait to dive deep into. But I'm going to show you how to install ADB tools on your C drive on the next video. But yeah, you can even do it on Mac as well. So if you need to move things from here to Mac, um, it's going to work. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.